Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how you can add an end screen to your YouTube video in a few simple steps. Adding an end screen has its benefit as it helps drive more view to your other videos through the current one. In today's video, we will show you exactly how to add an end screen. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step. Adding an end screen is done at the time when you upload your video to YouTube. Click on the create option in the top right corner. Next, click on upload video. Click on select file to choose the file you want to upload. After that, set the title and description for this video. Adding a thumbnail for the video and then scroll down to assign tag as per your preference. Set the video language and then click on the next button. After that you will see the option to add an end screen. Click on add. Various format for the end screen will be displayed. Choose one. I have selected one format. Now set the time frame for how long you want the end screen to appear in your video. Drag and drop it to the desired duration. In this frame, add the video you want to showcase at the end. I am selecting choose a specific video and picking the video I want to display. Repeat the same process in the second frame and add another video. After that, the save option will appear at the top. Click on it. Now the next button will be visible. Click on it. Then click on next again. Select public and click on the publish button. As soon as you click on publish, your video will be published with the end screen. This way you can add an end screen to your video. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to add an end screen to your YouTube video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorial and hit the bell icon to receive notification for my future upload. You have any question or suggestion, feel free to drop them in the comment below.